In this video, I will show you how to use the SAP Concur for mobile app. If you need more information on how to download the app and log in via single sign-on, check out the link page and its respective knowledge base article. So once you log in via single sign-on, you have the ability to click on the camera icon right from your profile and take a picture of your receipt. From here, you would click Done if the receipt looks good. Right now, SAP Concur is scanning the receipt and it's asking you to verify the amount. And since it's correct, you just click on the 1668. If the amount had come up incorrectly, you would click Incorrect and you would manually have the ability to update the amount. Then you would click Done. So Concur uses Expensit to scan the receipt, and it defaulted to the meals and incidentals expense type. So if we click into it, you have the ability to update the expense type to the correct one if it came in incorrectly. And you have the ability to move it to an expense report. You can move it to an existing expense report or create a new report. And just choose the correct report type. So let's say that this was for an event. So you click Event Expenses. And then you would just fill out the same fields that would appear in your browser's report header for an event. Once you click Create, the receipt that we scanned would appear as one of the expenses. I also wanted to highlight how now you have the ability to act as another user from the SAP Concur for mobile app. So right from the landing page, we can see the receipt that I just added is under available expenses. However, if we click on your initials on the top right corner and then select Act as another user, we can see that Joanne Caldelas has added me as her delegate. So I will click into her profile. And now highlighted in green, it says Acting as Joanne Caldelas. So if I click on the plus sign icon, I have the ability to either capture a receipt using Expensit or create a manual expense. So it will be the same process. If we click on Expensit, again, I would just take a picture of the receipt, click Done, verify that the amount is correct, click Done again. Concur is scanning the receipt, so it defaults to the meals and incidentals expense type, and now I can move it to one of Joanne's expense reports or move it to a new expense report.